Hi kids, welcome to Boss Digit class. Today we will talk about simple present tense WH questions for primary 4. Let's get started. Okay, so why do we use the WH question? We use it to create a WH question, which is like, for example, what, who, where, when, etc. That start with the WH word, and then we add do or does, then the subject, right, or the person who's doing the action, followed by the base form of the verb or verb 1, and then the rest of the sentence. So what does it look like? So for singular and plural, we have singular, plural. Singular, for example, he, she, it. Plural would be we, you, right? If it's more than one person, we, they, and then singular can also be I. So, for example, what does he like? What does he like? And then, how much do I have? How much do I have? Okay, so we can basically combine all of these into WH questions. So let's make some WH questions. Miss Sarah is my English teacher. What does Miss Sarah teach? What does Miss Sarah teach? She teaches English, right? Okay, next. We learn English on Fridays. What is the question? You can pause the video if you need more time. We learn English on Fridays. What is the WH question? What do you learn on Fridays? What do you learn on Fridays? English. We learn English. Next, how does he does his homework every evening. Okay. When does he do his homework? He does his homework every evening. That's correct. The puppy likes to sit under the table. So, where does the puppy like to sit? The answer? Under. It likes to sit under. Underwear? The table. Correct. Next, they always play together because they are best friends. Why? Why do they always play together? Why do we use do here, right? Why do they always play together? Why? Because they're best friends. That's why they always play together. She walks to school. How? How what? How does she go to school? How does she go to school? She goes to school. She walks to school. Once in a week, the two of us play soccer. How often do the two of you play soccer? How often? Once a week. Once in a week. Next, the smartphone costs 3 million rupiah. What is the WH question? How much does this smartphone cost? It costs 3 million rupiah. Okay, next. Paris has the Eiffel Tower. Which one is the correct WH question? Who does Paris have? What does Paris have? Pause the video if you need more time. The answer is, what does Paris have? It has the Eiffel Tower. Next, we celebrate New Year every January 1st. Which one is the correct WH question? When do we celebrate New Year? Or what do we celebrate New Year? Which one? Huh? When do we celebrate New Year? Correct, on January 1st. Tim celebrates his birthday every 2nd of June. Which one is correct? Where does Tim celebrate New Year? Or what does Tim celebrate every 2nd of June? Which one is it? Yeah, this one. What does Tim celebrate every 2nd of June? He celebrates his birthday. My father works as a doctor in a hospital. Which one is the correct WH question? Why does your father do? Or what does your father do? Which one? Hmm? What does your father do? My father works as a doctor. He's a doctor, right? Next, my grandparents, grandpa and grandma, always travel by train. How? Right? How what? What is the WH question? How? How what? How do your grandparents travel? Right? This one. Okay. That's the end of our lesson. Thank you so much. Goodbye.